Alright, the header. And I highly suggest you learn how to make your own header because your website should represent you and what you're working on. Anyway, how do we make a header and how do we install a header? First, paper's falling off my wall behind me here. First, our header size is 960 by 115. So what we want to do is find an image on our computer. Any image will do, and I just simply open it up in Microsoft Paint, and let's just resize this to 960 and check this by 115 and OK. Now what we want to do is select all and let's cut. Now let's open up a blank PowerPoint presentation. If you don't have PowerPoint, what you can do is go to openoffice.org, and openoffice.org has a program called Impression that's free and it works pretty much like PowerPoint does. Anyway, PowerPoint. All we do here is paste that image. Control V I use. Now let's open this up. What you want to do is put some text on here, and to do that, just go Insert, Word Art, pick any of these that you want. Of course, Impression is a little bit different. And let's just go WordPress training, I guess, for now. What we want to do is bring this down to size. Maybe change the color a little bit. Nice blue, that'll work. You should probably put your image and or your name over here, but this is just for practice here, so let's copy all of this. Let's take it back and put it in Paint, and again I use Control C, Control V. Let's get rid of the white. Make sure that it's good on both ends. And again, we resize this. Pixels. Uncheck. 960 by 115. Now what you want to do is save this as JPEG. And let's save this as WordPress training. And I'm going to call it Agency theme. And I'm going to save it on my desktop so it's easy to find. And we can get rid of this now. And this. And here's our header. So let's go back to our site. And we want to go to header, or we'll just go in from the dashboard, I guess. We go to Appearance, Header. Now in the agency theme, there you are right there, 960 by 115. You want to uncheck this, show header text with your image, make sure that's unchecked. Let's open this site up. And what that's going to do is get rid of this text here. And I'll probably get rid of this search bar too. Let's browse. And let's find that image. Open it. Upload it. And now let's show header text with your image. Always check that you have it unchecked. Let's save changes. Now let's go back and refresh this website, see how it's looking. See, now we want to get rid of the search bar. So let's go back to our widgets, which is under Appearance, of course. And this search right here, just left click, hold it, and drag it. Now let's come back. Let's refresh. And there is your header. What's left is adding our tabs up here. So to do this, we've got to actually create a custom menu. And if we're going to do anything, of course, we've got to log into our dashboard. Now once you're in here, you want to go to Genesis, Theme Settings. And you need to scroll down and find right here it says Build a Custom Menu. Let's open that up. Now what you want to do here is enter your menu name, and let's just call this Primary Navigation. There we are. And we need to create menu. Now what you want to do is add the tabs that you actually want to have in your upper menu. Let's open this back up. And these can be from pages that you already have, or it can be from categories. There are many ways to do this. What I'm going to do is just show you this way. Let's grab our URLs, and I'm going to have WordPress training for a tab. Paste this right here. You name the label and click Add to Menu. Now the next one, Internet Marketing Training. Add the URL, add the label. Make sure you get the spelling right here, because what you put here is what's going to show up. And I'm going to actually add the other three, and I'll be right back. Okay, I added WordPress training, Internet Marketing Training, MLM Training, Contact Us page, and Privacy Policy. Let's save this menu. Now again, what we could have done, anytime we add one of these pages, we just click Add to Menu, and it will appear in your navigation bar. Or once you have your categories set up, if you use categories, you can choose one of the categories and add to your menu, and it'll show up in the bar. After your menu is saved, you choose your theme locations. And this theme supports 2 menus, but we're going to worry just about the navigation menu for now. So let's click here. Let's save it. Let's go back to the website and refresh. And there are your page tabs. Click on Contact Us. People can contact you right from your website. Okay, that's it for now. I think in my next video it's going to be installing the membership plugin called Wishlist, and I'll see you in that video.